Hello. Okay. I think now I'm having a clear voice. Can you hear me, guys? Yeah. Definitely, we are going to have a webinar today. Sandy, welcome to the stream. Okay, so it's for those who are new here. Guys, I'm Lucas Copy Trading Community member. My name is Rakesh, and I'm your host here. You are watching your favorite channel, that is Lucas Copy Academy, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. So today is 25th of July 2024. We are going to discuss here the price action for some 10 to 15 20 minutes or and like I was saying that I'm a Dukas Company's trading community member. I mean the member of the community that is trading the forex, okay. But yes, we are also trading some commodities and all. So when I say this, it doesn't mean that I'm an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee. Therefore, all the views of the trading idea that I'm going to discuss with you, they are of my own. They have nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. This is the first thing. Second is that we'll be strictly discussing the price action here. We'll not talk about anything that is fundamental in nature. We'll only be discussing the charts. And because as a technical analyst, I know that everything that is going around in the world is already priced in the chart. There's no point in talking about anything else. We'll use candlestick charts for our analysis, and let's go to the charts. Before that, I must tell you that this is not a trading advice. Whatever you're going to see is just my opinion. It is my analysis. You want to learn from it, you're most welcome to learn from it. But if you want to trade the real money on this, based on this, then you will be responsible for your profits and your losses. I cannot recommend you. Okay. Now let's have a look at the risk disclaimer before we go to the charts. Okay, you can pause the video here if you want to, and you can read all the 4 paragraphs, understand it completely, digest it, and then only move to the charts. All right, here are the charts. What are these charts? Well, this is the US dollar index, daily candle, based on the bid prices. What is it suggesting us? The price was going down, and immediately on the 4th of July, that is yesterday, it went higher. And in fact, before that, it went higher. Then there was a pullback, and now we are expecting the price to go higher. Is this expectation good? Well, we will only come to know in time, because you see this the upside that went here, it has taken out this market structure, and now the market structure, since it has shifted, so we are expecting the prices to go higher. But to what extent can it pull back? We don't know yet. We don't know yet. Okay, it can go 50%, it can go 62%, anything. But yes, we are looking for the higher prices here. What you can do is simply you can frame a channel on the lower time frames. Mostly I do it on the 1 hour. You can do it on 4 hours if you want, but from the recent high that the price had made to the near high now that the price has extended in the future, and when it breaks to the upside, you can have a clean, I will say, upside. Or otherwise, if you think that this is not the case, this was the case, or if you think that this is not the case, this was the case, whatever you feel like, okay. And when you want to retest and then you can go higher, that is your wish, but I would like to include all this. All right, this is one thing. So from the daily chart, we can maintain not maintain, but we can reverse our thought and say, okay, now the price has started going higher. But one thing that I want to point out here is that once the price was going down, it had left this fair value gap here, and that fair value gap has just been traded. So there is a chance that the price will keep going down. I did not see it before, but now since I can see that, so I just want to point it out that there is a fair value gap here. And when the price trades the fair value gap, it tends to reverse from there. But yes, there is a market structure shift also. So it's like 50-50 case now, guys. So be careful. Okay, be careful. And I think that's why this rise from here was rejected again. So I can see that there was a price action, and then they took the liquidity higher than this. They sold off, changed the market structure on the 1 hour, consolidated, then took the market structure, took the liquidity here again, and now they're selling it off again. So guys, if you ask me, I am more inclined towards selling now on the US dollar. Believe me, this price action is based on what ICT suggests us and what he teaches us. And yeah, from this market structure here, what I can see is there was consolidation, took these highs, sold off. Boom. Now, if it continues, you see 103.62 is the support. Whereas if you look at the daily candle, you will see that the market structure has shifted to the upside, but then it got rejected also from there. It closed red, boom, then it went up. Yes, the problem is that after this 60% retracement from here, the price can go higher also. So I'm like in a dilemma now. Yes, the price is headed lower, but it can go higher also from this 60 to 70% retracement. Anything can happen, guys, right now. I think I'll be more cautious than buying the US dollar now because there's a fair value gap which will be respected when the price tries to go up. So be cautious here. I think that's why the pound is not able to decide where it wants to go. It wants to go down or it wants to go up. We'll maintain our market structure on the daily, and we know that 1.2777 is the level from where we are looking for the buying opportunities. In fact, we are looking for the buying opportunities above this level only. Below this, we will start looking for the selling opportunities. Upside targets are 1.2994. Actually, not this one. Euro looks good today. You see, pound is also looking good, but not that good as euro is looking. Maybe because of some news or whatever, but we don't mind till the time it is green. We are happy to buy it. 868 is the price level today. If it is able to break higher from this falling channel, I think in the low time frames we need to check what is happening. I think low time frames, yeah. Market structure shift on the 4 hour is confirmed. Boom, 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 boom. So yeah, you can see that this falling channel seems to be breaking soon. Not right now, but soon I think we can expect it to break. Looking at this market structure shift, again market structure shift. So there are more reasons to buy the euro now. One, it is green. Two, 1.916 is the next potential target. Three, there's upside liquidity here resting above 1.90901. So yes, I think the price is going towards that liquidity. One thing. Now on the daily candle, you see if the price starts going lower from here, then it will have a strong support around 1.0805. And also I think this price is getting the order blocks here. Yes, the price is respecting these order blocks. Yeah, this done closing red candle. This is called bullish order block. Okay, the price respected it and is now headed higher. 1.0942, I will be targeting it at the minimum. Okay, so let's see how the things unfold in this week till tomorrow. Wow, one day Australian dollar is boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So many red candles. Australian dollar is going into a pit. I think any close below 0.6577 will make it a good resistance for the price to take, and the next downside target is 0.6465. It is clean price action, guys. Nothing more. New Zealand. So I think because the Australian dollar is going so much down, so GBP already must be rising like anything. So yes, there's a breakdown, clean breakdown, and if we see a week, okay, if we see tomorrow, also the price trades and closes below this wedge, then I think it will be a downside move to the target of 0.5508 for the New Zealand dollar, at least on the daily time frame. Yes, the price can go higher and get rejected and then go to that level, but yes, more or less it is a downside move for the New Zealand dollar in the coming weeks. What is the potential resistance now? It is 0.5981 and the potential support is 0.585. USD CAD, boom, boom. Well, this is a classic price action. Can you see? This is not USD CAD, this is USD CHF. Classic price action. I love the way the USD CHF does the price action. You see, broken high, boom, retested, broken high, boom, 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 boom. After this, broke these lows, retested them, came to these lows, broke the market structure, boom, again broke the market structure. So this is so clean price action in the USD CHF, you can see, and the next level is 0.8730. That is supposed to be tested there. 0.8827 is now the, I think, USD CAD. We expected the higher prices, didn't we? 1.3846. Above that, it has taken the liquidity. Now the price is free to go lower. The price is free to go downside. Now you might be thinking, oh, what do you mean, Ragesh? What is the meaning of price is free to go downside? Well, this is it. The price is free to go downside now. It has taken all the liquidity here. It has no reason to go up, at least for now. So the resistance becomes 1.3846. The potential support is 1.3780, whereas I will be expecting lower prices like these down equal high, equal lows. I will be looking for the price to take down this 1.3590 very soon. USD JPY, okay, all the targets are taken. 151.85 was the target. The price went very close to that, although it did not break it. I think maybe it will attempt it again, but right now, yes, the level is saved, and I think the price reversed from these highs. Anyways, we are looking for lower prices still, so any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity for the US dollar. New Zealand CAD slowly and steadily moving towards the targets. 0.8087 is the first target. Any rise to the 0.8201 should be seen as selling opportunity in this one. In the Bitcoin, yes. Okay, if these lows are saved, or I will say protected. Okay, wait, let me remove this Fibonacci too. Okay, so if this low is protected, this low is 63,267.3. If this low is protected for a day or two, the price can bounce off from here like anything. It can, okay? And if it bounces from here, at least it should reach for 71,994. Well, if it breaches and breaks and closes below that, I will be looking for a buying opportunity here. But if that doesn't materialize, then it will be a confirmed market structure shift to the downside, where we can look for low targets like 56,583, etc. Brent, well, where is the Brent trading? Is it trading higher? Wow. On the 1 hour at least, it is trading higher. Okay, so there is something I think fishy. Yes, it has finally traded that fair value gap and has shown us that there is a possibility of a reversal from here. So guys, this must also be 60% or 70%. 60%, I think it will be. Oh my dear friends, yes, 61.8%. So crude oil is reacting to 62% levels. Now, my friend, if you are short here, I think you should book your profits. I think you should book your profits. It has taken all the liquidity here. It is giving us a bullish pin bar. It has traded this fair value gap. All the things are done. Now, I think this is where the price is going to. If you're just asking me, this is the minimum that the price should reach for. The minimum. If you ask me the minimum, then I will tell you that 83.26 is the minimum for where the price is reaching for. It can go higher, but 83.26 your holdings till 83.26. Believe me, you don't want to do that. If you're already profitable, maybe close your positions. I closed my short position early in the day. Very good. Nice for you. I like that approach. So gold, like I said, that now it's time for gold to be sold off to the level of at least 234,449 may fall, but I'm expecting it to rise tomorrow. Euro JPY was sell on the rise, first time sell on the rise, second time, and you can see that now again it's a sell on the rise actually, with a target of 164.02. GBP okay, 1.9968. Huge targets on the upside we have, and I think next week we will get them delivered 1.9968. It can come down to 1.9479 to test it as a fresh support, but believe me, after testing this, it should run towards 1.99687. Okay, CHFJPY again sell on the rise. It has traded this fair value gap, but there's a bullish pin bar and also a bullish engulfing. So I think there will be more rise before we get a sell off. Right now, it's not a good price action for selling, but we are not buying also this market because it is making low lows. Or in New Zealand, finally, what we call it, break to the downside, took these highs as the fresh support, is rising again. So tomorrow or maybe next week, 1.1177 will be tested in this one, I think. All right, sell on the rise. Somebody sold it off, and low targets are exposed again. 1.911 is what you will be expecting if the price trades below this. Why I'm saying below this 2.08018, 2.018, because from here there was a market structure shift, then the price is headed lower. From here it can go higher again, okay, with a target of 2.44 that we had told you earlier. But for some reason, if the price is able to break below 2.018, then it will test 1.911 and maybe even lower prices in this one. So that's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free. Okay, EuroCAD. I think EuroCAD is what my friend was thinking, asking me yesterday. Well, didn't we look for a buying opportunity in this one, if I remember? Yeah, I think we were looking for a buying opportunity. If the price goes higher than this and then comes back to this area, you should look for a buying opportunity here. This is, I think, what we have discussed. It did not go exactly as said, but yes, it went higher, then came down at least to this order block, and then it went higher. It went higher twice. So all things are good. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I would otherwise like to wrap up this session. That's all guys. We don't have much to talk about. It's just pure price action. You know the levels from where you want to frame your trades. You keep the risk to reward in your favor, and then you press the trigger. Okay, even if it is demo or real, I'm not supposed to give you any real advice, but yes, you can keep it. All right, guys, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels, especially Sandy, who is always there to know about the levels. Just remember, Sandy, if you have a proper capital, do not risk more than 1% of that capital. Okay, there's trades every day, so you don't have to put it all in and look for a pressure profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. If it is not there, do not put that trade. Okay, statistics go against you if you do that. So it's pure mathematics, and adjust your position size in such a manner that if your stop loss gets triggered, it should not lose more than 1%. Okay. Now with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this useful for you, and if you can leave your suggestions in the comment section. How can I improve the stream, or what should I include, what should I exclude? And if you are new, please consider subscribing to this channel for more such videos. You can have more value from my videos if you see them seriously. So don't be serious, but yes, watch my videos seriously. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your time. Bye bye till tomorrow, 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.